Hello students, next we will do question number 2 of exercise 8.2. So the question is convert the given decimal fractions to percent. So you can see here there are 4 parts. First A part is 0.65. This is in decimal. We have to convert this decimal into percent. So the first step is when we convert either fraction or decimal into percent, we should multiply with 100. Okay. Now convert this decimal into fraction. So 65 over 100. Because there are 2 digits after the decimal point, so we will divide it by 100. Multiply it with 100%. Now 100 cancel. What is left is only 65%. So this is your answer. Next B part is 2.1. So again multiply with this 100%. Again convert this decimal in terms of fraction. So 21 over 10 because there is only 1 digit after decimal point. So therefore we should divide it by 10 into 100. Now 1 0 cancel. So 21 tens are 210%. Next C part is 0.02. Again multiply with 100%. It is 2 over 100 into 100%. There are 2 digits after decimal point. Now cancel. What is left over here? Only 2%. So this is your answer of C part. Next D part is 12.35. Again multiply with 100%. So 12.35 meter in fraction, it is 1235 over 100. Multiply with 100%. This 100 cancel. What is left here? 1235. This is your answer. Alright. Next third question is estimate what part of the figure is colored. What part of the figure it is colored, and then we find the percent which is colored. We also find the percentage of the coloring or you can say shaded portion. Alright. So in the first part you can see the circle is given in which they divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. And out of these 4 equal parts, only one part should be shaded. So we have to find the fraction of the shaded portion. After that, we will find the percentage of that coloring part. So what is the percentage? So we can see here only one portion is shaded out of this 4 total parts. So we will write here first 1 over 4. We will write numerator 1 and denominator 4. 4 is what? Total number of parts. So there are total 4 parts. So write it in denominator. Now when you convert this 1 by 4 into fraction, again you will follow the same step. Multiply with which number? 100. Now again 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. Now 25 ones are how much? 25. So we take 25%. It means 25% is shaded among all these 4 parts. Next is there are how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 parts. And out of this 5 only how many shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 will be shaded. So fraction is 3 over 5. Now convert this fraction into percent. So 3 over 5 multiply with how much? 100. Now this 5 over 5. 5 20s are 100. Now 23s are, it is 60. 60% is shaded. Third is again same. Total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. Out of 8, only 3 will be shaded. 1, 2, 3. So the fraction is what? 3 over 8. Now convert this 3 over 8 into percent. Again multiply with 100. 2 4s are 8. Sorry. 2 4s are 8 and 2 50s are how much? 100. 2 4s are 8 and 2 50s are 100. Again, this 2 2s are 4 and 2 25s are 50. Alright. Next, 25 is 75 and denominator is only 2. Now 75 over 2. It is improper fraction. We have to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. So take 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 40, 1 over 2%. So the answer is 37, 1 over 2%. So this is your question number second and question number third. Next is your question number fourth. Find 15% of 250. 15% of 250. 250 is our total amount. Alright, total quantity you can say. Total quantity. You have to find the 15% of that total quantity. So what you will do? 15%. So when you move this percent, divided it by 100. Of means multiply with total quantity. So total quantity is here 250. Now we will solve this. Now you can see here 0 0 cancel. 15 over 10. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are how much? 15. So 3 multiply with 25 over how much? 2. Now 25 3s are 75 over 2. 75 over 2. This is in fraction. Convert it into decimal or in mixed fraction. It's your choice. If you convert a decimal, then the answer is 37.5. Or if you convert into mixed fraction, then the answer is 37 1 over 2. So 15% of 250 is 37.5 or 37 1 over 2. This is your A part. Next B part is 1% of 1 hour. You have to find the 1% of 1 hour. So you have to convert this hour into minutes. Alright, in 1 hour there are how many minutes? 60 minutes. So we will find the 1% of 60 minutes. ठीक है कि 60 minutes का 1% कितना होगा, मतलब कितने minutes होंगे? 60 minutes में 1%. So 1% is written as 1 over 100 of means multiply and written this 1 hour in terms of minutes. So we write here 60 minutes. Okay students. Next 1 is cancelled. So 6 ones are 6 over 10. Again 6 over 10. It is written as 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So 3 over 5 minutes. 3 over 5 minutes or convert it into decimal. You write it as 0.6 minutes. This is your answer. Either you can write 0 over 5 or 0.6. Clear students? Next C part is 20% of rupees 2500. You have to find the 20% of total amount is 2500. So 20% is written as 20 over 100 multiply with 2500. Again 2 0 cancel from the numerator and denominator. So what is left here? 25 and here 20. So 25 into 20 is 500. 25 into 50 and put 1 0 here. So what is the answer? 500 rupees. It means 500 rupees is the 20% of total amount 2500. Next last D part is 75% of 1 kg. Kg is what? Kilogram. So first you have to convert this kilogram into gram. So gram is the what? Standard unit of weight. So 75% written as 75 over 100 and 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1000 gram. So you will write here 1000. Clear? Now you can see here denominator having 2 0 and numerator having 3 0. But you should cancel only 2 0. 1 2 1. So what is left is 75 and here 10. So 75 tens are 750. 750 gram. Alright, it means 75% of 1 kilogram is 750 gram. So this is your question number 4. Next, this is your question number 5th. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is what? It is the whole quantity. 5% of it is 600. So we have to find the whole quantity. So in this question you have to take a whole quantity as x. So we have to find the value of x, in which 5% of x is what? 600. Yes, student. So write here first. Let the whole quantity is taken as what? X. We have to take an X in all these parts. Suppose in the B part we have to find 12% of it is rupees 1080. It means total amount is taken as rupees X. We have to find 12% of X such that its 12% is how much? 1080. Alright. So the whole quantity is taken as X. So you write here first 5% of X. 5% of total quantity. So that is X. 5% of X is how much? 600. Is equal to 600. We have to find the value of X here. Now the 5% is written as 5 over 100 and of means here multiplied with variable X is equal to how much? 600. Now you will find here value of X. So what we will do? You will take this 5 over 100 on the other side. So when this 100 is goes on right side, it is multiplied with 600, and when this 5 is taken on right hand side, it is divided by this whole term. Alright. When this 100 goes on right side, it should multiply, and when this 5 goes on right side, it should divide. Now you can see here 5 into 20. That is how much? 100. 5 20s are 100. So X is what? 6 multiplied with 2. 6 2s are 12, and there are how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So put here 3 zeros. The value of X is here 12,000. Clear, students? So this is your 5% of 12,000 is how much? 600. This is your A part. Next, the B part is 12% of it is rupees 1080. 12% of it. It is what? It is the total quantity, or you can say total amount. So the total amount is taken as rupees X here. So right here, let the total amount is taken as rupees X. Now we have to find 12%. 12% of X is how much? Rupees 1080. Right here, 1080. Now the 12% is written as 12 over 100 of means multiplied with X variable is equal to 1080. Now we have to find the total amount here. So total amount is here what? X. Now we have to take this 12 over 100 on the other side. So what? 100 is multiplied with this 1080 and this 12 is divided over there. Now you can see here 12 times are 12 and 12 lines are how much? 108. So 12 lines are 108 and there is 1 0 left. So right here 0. Clear? Now 9 ones are 9 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So right here 1, 2, 3 zeros. So what is the total amount here? Total amount is 9,000. It means 12% of 9,000 rupees is how much? 1,080. This is the last C part. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. It means you have to find the total distance that is taken as X. Alright. And 40% of that X is how much given? 500 kilometer. So right here let the total distance is X kilometer. And the 40% of total distance, that is X, is given 500. Clear, students? Now the 40 over 100 is written as 40 times 100 of means multiply X is equal to 500. Now take this 40 over 100 on right hand side. So 100 is multiplied and this 40 is divided over there. So once it is cancelled, so what is left here? 5, 1. 5 ones are, it is 5, and how many zeros count there? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Only 3 zeros. And the denominator is what? 4. Now you should divide this 5,000 over 4. So what is the answer? 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5 are 20, and 0. So the answer is 1,250 kilometers. 1,250 kilometer. It means 40% of this total distance, 1,250 kilometer, is how much? 500 kilometer. Clear students? So this is your A, B and C part of question number 5. Next, this is your D part and E part. D is 70% of it is 14 minutes. So here total amount is what? Taken as X minutes. So we have to find the value of X. And the condition is here given 70% of it. It is what? Total X is given, that is 14 minutes. 70% of total time is given 14 minutes. We have to find the value of X. So 70% is given as 70 over 100 multiply with X is equal to how much? 14. So X is what? 14 multiply 100 divided by 70. So 1 0 cancel. 7 over 7 and 7 2s are how much? 14. So X is what? 2 multiply with 10. 2 times are 20. So what is X? X is 20 minutes. It means 70% of 20 minutes is 14 minutes. Last E part of this question number 5 is 8% of it is 40 liter. We have to find the total quantity. So the total quantity is taken as X here. Alright? And 8% of X is how much? 40 liters. 8% of X is 40 liters. So 8% is written as 8 over 100. Of means multiply with X is equal to 40. Now take this 8 over 100 on the other side. 40 multiplied with 100 and divided by which number? 8. 8 was the 8 and 8 5 are how much? 40. So X is what? 5 into 100. That is 500 liter. Clear student? It means 500 liter is the total quantity. And 8% of this 500 liter is given. That is 40 liter. So this is your D and E part of question number 5. Thank you.